Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make antivirus, antibacteria surface cleaner. Friends, in normal days you can use any surface cleaner, but in rainy days it is very important to use disinfectant surface cleaner because there are many viruses, germs, bacteria on the surface. So that's why today we make this disinfectant surface cleaner, which is antivirus, anti-germs, antibacteria. Also, in normal days you can use this surface cleaner. To make surface cleaner, it is a very simple process. Anybody can make it at their home. Friends, I will show you full practical video how to make disinfectant surface cleaner. After completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials which are used in this product. So friends, watch full video and don't skip in between. So let's go. So let's start. For that I have taken an empty vessel. Now I am pouring IPA, isopropyl alcohol, in it. Now I am adding pine oil. Now I am adding chloroxylenol. Now I am adding SLES. Now mix it thoroughly. Now I am adding yellow color. You can add any color of your choice. Friends, I am adding some more color in it. Friends, antivirus, anti-germ, antibacterial surface cleaner is ready. Now I am adding salt in it to make it thick. Then again mix it thoroughly. See, your surface cleaner is ready. See the result. Friends, if you want to make it more thick, you can add some more salt in it. Now I am showing you the quality of surface cleaner. For that I have taken some water in an empty bowl and adding some quantity of surface cleaner in it. Now see the foam. Friends, now I am telling the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. Isopropyl alcohol IPA 170 ml, pine oil 60 ml, chloroxylenol 30 gram, SLES 20 ml. If you want more foam, you can increase a little quantity of SLES. As for salt, salt should be added gradually, a pinch at a time. As soon as you get the desired thickness, stop adding salt. Otherwise, your surface cleaner will become watery. You can use any salt whichever you use for your cooking. As for color, you can use any color, food color or any synthetic color, and you can use any color, green, blue, pink, whatever you like. For color also, add a pinch at a time. If you want more color, you can add one pinch. And friends, you can use any color, powdered color or liquid color. For fragrance, there is no need to add any fragrance because the fragrance of pine oil is very strong and very sweet. So I have not added any fragrance in it. But if you want, you can add any fragrance of your choice. So friends, try it and give me your feedback. And if you have any doubt, you can write down your queries in the comment box. I will try my best to answer all the questions. Friends, did you like my video? I hope you like my video. If you do, please click the like button. If you click the like button, it will motivate me to make more such good videos for you in future. And friends, please share my video with all your friends and relatives. And if you are new to my channel, you have first time watched my video, please press the subscribe button. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon. After pressing bell icon, you will see three options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notifications whenever I make a new video in future. So please press the all button. Friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.